The top 5 bizarre plants you've never heard of. 5. Doll's Eye. Doll's Eye is a highly poisonous plant with a gloomy looking ball which has the appearance of an eye. The ball is 1 centimeter in diameter. It is a white sphere which has a black stigma on it which resembles the retina of the eye, and it's found on the edge of the plant. Although the poison is found in the entire plant, it's mainly concentrated in its fruit. The poison which is found in this plant has a very fatal effect on the cardiac muscles, which causes a quick death. 4. Rafflesia Arnoldii. The Rafflesia looks like a flower from the Jurassic era. It is a genus of parasitic flowering plants containing approximately 28 species. This monstrous flower is found in Southeastern Asia, on Indonesia, Malaysia, Borneo and Sumatra, Thailand and the Philippines. The Rafflesia Arnoldii is the largest single flower of any flowering plant in the world, in some cases about 1 meter in diameter and weighing more than 10 kilograms. The stem and roots are not available, so the parasite is attached to the vines and has a huge flower with a surprisingly smelly odor. 3. Welwitschia mirabilis. Perhaps unfairly labelled as one of the world's ugliest plants, a ragged-leaved inhabitant of the African desert, some tree tombos are believed to be over 1,000 years old. This plant can live off 3 inches of rain per year and only grow 2 leaves, which usually become split, frayed and shredded into several well-separated strap-shaped sections. The biggest Welwitschia plant is 4.6 feet tall and 13 feet wide. 2. Amorphophallus Titanum. Reaching up to 10 feet, the Amorphophallus Titanum is a nasty-smelling plant. The Amorphophallus Titanum is a plant that is only indigenous in the Sumatra rainforests, though it has been transplanted, harvested and grown around the world. Most describe the smell of this plant to resemble rotting or dead flesh. 1. The Chinese fleece flower. The Chinese use this plant in their traditional medicine for kidney health, strong bones and hair restoration, and as a mild laxative. But what's interesting in this weird-looking plant is its roots. The root looks like a little human dug out from the grave. Many skeptics believe these roots are only made by special molds, but there are actually many that take on this eerily human form.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.